Where to start?
Just try your best, Mom. Just try your best.
Try my best.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Crystal, and this is Madison. And this is Bambi, my fur baby. When I was going through the process of buying a home, I thought I could have it decorated in a matter of months. Well, I ate my words. It's hard to get started. Just even picking the right color is a challenge because I want it to be perfect. Now it's 6+ months later and I don't feel like I've even gotten started. This is our favorite room in the house. The current used furniture that I have, it's clunky. My couch is small. It would be great if we had some storage.
If I had like a bigger table, I would do so much arts and crafts.
So this journey has been wonderful, it's been educational, it's been fun, and it was a very interactive process, and I really appreciate that because I learned a lot about maximizing space, colors, lights, and now I'm ready to tackle the next project.
It was so beautiful and I was so surprised. The table can actually move, do activities, do homework.
That was the best dining table ever. The assembly was a breeze. Now that we have a dining space, we can sit down and eat as a family. It's gonna bring us together. I am loving the storage. Really nice, really unique. I also like the stools underneath the storage unit. They double as little seats for Madison and her friends.
I just feel like it's just my whole cubbies that I could just put arts and crafts and other stuff.
My friend came over and all three of us sat on the sofa. We actually had space in between us and the sofa is very comfortable. How do you think this is gonna help us be better friends?
If we have fun.
If we have fun. Fun is important.
If we help each other.
Yes, so the underlying theme of all that you're saying is us spending more time together. And I think that's important. It allows me to live. I'm saying it allows me to live, but that's really a big deal. When I was 26 years old, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. 6 years ago, I don't think I saw this in my future. So the fact that I moved across states, I have a new job and bought my first home, they're just major milestones for me. And after struggling for years, I finally feel like my life is coming back together. It's getting back on track. And it starts with my home.